Hello guys, how to fix Chrome error bad SSL client authority certificate error on Windows 11 and 10. Such type of error message appear on your screen when you try to browsing any content on Google Chrome. And to fix this, the first workaround is update your Google Chrome browser. To do so, click on three vertical dot from the top right corner and here hover the cursor on help and click on about Google Chrome. Your browser will update Chrome, checking for updates. In my case, an error occurred. While you are facing such type of error, then resolve this error and update your Google Chrome browser. This is the initial and first workaround to fix this error code. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Sync your date and time settings of your Windows 11 and 10 PC. Right click on a start button, choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key. Here from the left side, go to time. First update your browser, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates. If any operating system update available, simply download and install it in your system. And any driver update available, also update and install it. Thereafter, go to time and language from the left side and sync your date and time. Go to date and time from the right side, click on it and set time zone automatically. This is off because time zone has manually set, and go to set time automatically, turn this feature on. Go to additional setting and click on sync now. After date and time successfully synced with your Windows PC, check whether your Google Chrome error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Google Chrome browser on your system and here from the top right corner, click on three vertical dot and choose settings. On settings window from the left side, choose privacy and security. Click on it. We will now clear browser and cookies and site data, clear browsing data, clear history, cookies, caches and more. Click on it and under advanced tab, make the check against option browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and also other feature. Make the check against this and click on cached images and files and clear data. Sometimes clearing browser cache may resolve various major type of issue of your Chrome browser, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Google Chrome browser on your system and here in the address bar, type the command as shown on a screen. Chrome flags enable quick. Disable quick on your system. Type this command on your address bar and press enter. Experimental quick protocol. Disable this feature. Go to a smaller arrow and choose disable. And after that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. One more fixes. Disable Windows Defender firewall temporarily. Go to control panel of your system and here look for Windows Defender firewall. Click on it. From the left side, click on turn Windows feature on or off. Windows Defender firewall on or off. Click on it and turn off Windows Defender firewall under private network as well as public network. And finally, click on OK to save the changes. Once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender firewall for both the option private network and public network, and check whether your Google Chrome browser error code fixed or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, launch Google Chrome browser and here go to three vertical dot from the top right corner and here go to more tool, go to extension, look for extension, and if any extension added to your Chrome browser, disable for sometimes. All extensions should be disabled sometimes. After that, check whether your error is resolved. Your error will definitely be resolved after disabling extension added to your Chrome browser.